Okay, so 2 tablespoons of freshly minced parsley. I need about a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I think it's unusual in meatballs, but I think it gives it lots of flavor. One egg. All these ingredients are designed to either flavor it or hold it together. So I'm just going to beat it a little bit. Pour it on top. Now some seasoning. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 2 teaspoons of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And here's the surprising part, warm water. 3/4 cup. I actually learned this trick from Rayo's, that famous Italian restaurant in New York. And it keeps the meatballs so moist you wouldn't believe it. Okay, clean hands, cook's best tool. And you want to do this really lightly. You don't want to sort of compact it. You want to fluff it up and still mix them together. Oh, this smells so good. So this is going to make about 16 really good-sized meatballs, which is perfect for my guests. So I've got a 1/4 inch of oil. It's half olive oil and half vegetable oil. I'm just going to saute these and just keep turning them so they brown evenly on all sides. I'm doing them in 2 batches, so I don't want to overcrowd them so they brown nicely. So the second batch of meatballs are done. I'll just cook them 10 minutes until they're nice and browned, and then I'm going to finish cooking them in tomato sauce. Okay, I'm just going to pour off all the oil that I used for cooking the meatballs. So I'm going to use the same pan. It's got all that great flavor from the meatballs. A little bit of fresh olive oil. 1 cup of onions. It's 1 or 2 onions, depending on how big they are. And they're going to cook for 10 minutes until they're really tender and flavorful. And now I need some wine for the sauce. Okay, 1½ teaspoons of garlic. I do the garlic at the end because it burns really quickly. You can smell the garlic immediately. It's wonderful. Okay, 1/2 cup of red wine. Deglaze the pan. Get all those really crusty bits from the meatballs. It really flavors the sauce. And cleans the pan too. 128-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Okay, that smells great. About a tablespoon of parsley. 1½ teaspoons of salt. 1½ teaspoons of pepper. Just going to cook that together for a minute. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take the meatballs and just put them right back into the sauce, and they're going to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, just put them all in. Yikes. Tomato sauce and meatballs. Oh. Big bunch of basil, right in the middle. Big spoons. Can't wait to see their faces.